Page 215, this number 4 at the bottom of the page. I'll just go through the same routine we've been using. Let's see what we end up with. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, so it's either in the key of G major or E minor. If you look at the last measure, we're here. Got an E minor chord, I figure we're in E minor. Make sure you can do the scales for both though, G major and E minor, and go ahead and do the arpeggios too. 2 octaves is fine. You don't need to be going 4 octaves. Don't knock yourself out here. It's just make sure you're comfortable playing the scales. Do those trill exercises and the tremolo exercises I give. They really go a long way. Really do. They're kind of tedious sometimes, but they really work very well. 3/4 time signature. Right hand first. Let's make sure we got the notes. You're starting here. That puts you here. The F sharp is in the key signature, so the F sharp is part of the hand position. So it's 2, 3, 1, 2. That's basically how you do in the right hand. The left hand has the chords, broken chords. The first one, 3rd measure is 4 chord. 5th measure is 5/7. That's what we're doing. Okay, then we put them together. The idea? You put them together. I already did. Then get rid of the hesitations. No hesitations anywhere. Speed is not important yet, but no hesitations. And then the articulation. Here they're phrasing. Lift up the end of the first line, lift up before you go to the second line. In the left hand, they don't give you anything. That means you can do what you want. I usually just do an chuck chuck. I'll connect the first 2 here. Different ways of interpreting it. I could play them staccato. It's a different feel. You experiment. What do you like? I don't know. This. Or this. It's a different feel. It's a little more difficult to play also. Maybe I'll do them all staccato. See, when they don't give you anything, hey, have a ball. Experiment, because the more you experiment with it, the more you're practicing it. The dynamics apply to the melody. It's the right hand, MF. It's the only one you get, so it's moderately loud. Wherever the left hand's soft in the background. Make sure the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Feel those. Speed is allegro. It's where the fun comes in. How allegro do you want it? Now, don't get carried away. Needs to be accurate, but it can be quick. Moderato, sort of a. 2, 1, 2, 3. And allegretto is a little faster, so 5, 1, 2. 2, 3. Allegro's faster than that. Not super fast, just fast. It's my allegro for now. Yeah, it will change as the day goes on, but that's how I feel it for now. You make it yours. Don't copy me. There is a note at the bottom of this to transpose this to D minor, just in case you're bored or anything. So we're in E minor here. We're going to go down 1 to D minor. D minor is relative to F major, so it has 1 flat, a B flat. In it, and we're just basically playing the same fingers. D minor. Try another one. Let's go to do A minor. A minor is no sharps or flats. You're just using a G sharp. You're just starting with the fingers. You come up here. I come down here. I come up here. I'm just basically playing the same fingers, and I'm just playing those chords in the right and the left hand. One of the hands, whichever. Experiment with the interpretation. It can be kind of fun. Can be. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes in the rhythm just as it's written. Not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play it all about the same. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.